Dine with my family. Today we are going to have green peas. We have started with removing the peas from the pods. In a clean saucepan, pour some cooking oil, fry in the onions and tomatoes, and when they are gently cooked, you can then add to the mix our green peas. Stir the mix for a while and then cover and leave it to simmer for a moment. About 3 to 4 minutes later, we can then add any kind of curry, any kind that you enjoy to the mix. Personally, I find memories are better, and yes, I have to squeeze that vinegar and I remove every bit of it. Yum! Finally, we add water for soup to our green peas. You can decide to use it as sauce, or you can add rice to it, and that makes vegetable rice.